Sparkle Jade here with another video. Sorry it's been a while since I've done a video. I actually moved to Georgia. I was originally in New Jersey, but now I'm in Georgia. And this is my room that I share with my lovely boyfriend who is at work at the moment. So I got the house to myself. But so I decided to do a video for girls who wear glasses because I am not a contact person. Never been a contact person. I don't like contacts. I wear them when I go to the beach or when I go to like amusement park. But other than that, I wear my glasses all day, every day. And it's so hard to find like a nice, bold eye makeup that like compensates for girls who have glasses. Because a lot of them, I mean, like tutorials, they look great for girls who don't have glasses. But when you have glasses, you have to like put a lot on your eyes so that it shows up. So I'm going to show you how to get this look. Seeing this is without glasses. It's like a little red smoky eye. So I'm going to show you how to get this look, and hopefully you enjoy. And if you do, like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Thanks. Okay, so I am just going to start by moisturizing my face. I don't remember the name of like all the stuff I use, so I will definitely put it in the description box. So I'm just moisturizing. Kind of already did my eyebrows, so I was like, dang, I touched my eyebrows, so that was my bad. Next, I'm using my Pro Concealer just to highlight some areas on my face, hide those dark circles, my nose, chin. And this is my Fit Me stick. I also use that. It has like this concealer core, and that I also use that to conceal. I try to cover up a little bit. I have a lot of freckles that show through my makeup a lot, and they don't look like amazing freckles. I don't know how to describe it, so I just make sure I put some concealer on those as well. And then I have my Clinique foundation, and I'm just gonna dot that all over my face, and use my blendy sponge to blend all that in. I used a spray bottle to wet it too. I'm like too lazy to get up and go wet it at the sink, so that's like my hairspray bottle. So I don't do like full coverage makeup. This is, I would say, about like medium coverage. And I like to do my concealer and like my foundation all at one time. It's just easier to blend, in my opinion. But this isn't going to be like a full face type makeup thing. It's going to be, so I'm not going to bake or anything like that. This is my contour palette. I'm just going to use the Sculpt and I forget what the other part was, but I'm just going to sculpt my face a little bit, bring some life into it, some color. Get that hairline, always like brush into my hairline, just so that my scalp looks even with my skin tone. Next, I'm using my Glossier Cloud Paint. It's my blush, and it's in the color Haze, and I'm just gonna blend that into my cheeks to bring more color to my face. I know it's really bright, but then I use their Wowder to kind of mute that brightness out. So it's the Wowder, and I have this really puffy brush. I also have a kabuki brush that I use with it, and I'm just gonna basically set my face. This is basically what I do instead of baking, because sometimes I don't have time to sit there and bake. Next, I'm using my Aphrodite palette that I got from the app Hush, which is amazing, guys. You guys should really try Hush. So I'm using this red color, and I'm just going to put that on my lid. This doesn't have to be super clean. I'm not doing an eyeliner or anything like that. So, and I'm going to put that same color on my bottom lid to kind of, I don't know, add some dimensions. Then I'm going to use this orangey brown color in my crease and blend those out. So these colors are really, really pigmented, which I like, so that when I wear my glasses, a lot of people can notice it better. Because when you have glasses and you try to wear eye makeup, sometimes it's like, there's no point. A lot of people don't stare at your eyes, they stare at your glasses and they see like their reflection in your glasses. So this is something that can really shine through when you wear glasses. And I get a lot of compliments on this look when I'm wearing my glasses, so I really like it. And then I'm using another item I got from Hush. It's their mascara. I don't remember the name, but I'll put it in the description box for you. Get them bottom lids. Always gotta get them bottom lids. I'm going to use my contour palette and use the highlighter from there. I usually use the ColourPop highlighter, but the highlighter in the palette is actually really good, so I've been using that lately. I'm just going to get my cheeks and my nose and my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to set my face with my NYX setting spray. Last but not least, I'm using my matte lipstick in this brown color. I got this brown nude matte lipstick set from Hush. I've been on that app non-stop. And time to apply the glasses. And here is the final look with my braids down. So this is something I would wear on a weekend. You know, I'm home from work, I don't have to go to work that day, I don't want to, you know, I'm leaving the house to probably go to the store, and I'm like, hey, let me get my makeup together, let me look kinda alright. But of course I'm not going to wear contacts just to go to the store. Like, contacts are a special occasion thing for me. I love my glasses. I've been wearing my glasses since I was in the 5th grade, so I'm always trying to find something that's bold enough so that people can see while I'm wearing my glasses. So if you have any suggestions, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Thanks.